Yo gang, what's happening? It's your boy BZ back with a brand new video, and today it's just gonna be another little trading session, show you what's going through my mind. Today I'm just gonna look at the markets. You're gonna see how I'm looking for my setups, how I'm entering into my trades, try to make it seem as simple as possible so you guys can see exactly what's going on in my head. And without further ado, before don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification button so you know when a new video drops. Don't forget to join the Telegram channel, links will be in the description. You can see my trades live, and if you'd like to follow them, the choice is yours. So, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So gang, let's jump right into the chart, and as you can see, we have a 5-minute time frame on. My indicators are pretty much the same as always, moving average and stochastic oscillator. In my opinion, you don't need that more. What you need more to focus on rather than thinking about what indicators to use is how can you analyze the market, the most important thing. So first of all, we'll start with an hour, and as we can see right here, kind of shady, kind of sideways, a little bit of a sideways movement. So we want a little clearer picture, so we will go down to M15. Now what are we seeing? Now we're seeing a downward trend, despite the fact that we're seeing that it looks like it might be trending upwards, but we can see every time it crosses into that over our over our moving average 200 EMA, you can see that it bounces off. So right here might be one thing that we'll put in mind is if it does touch, maybe it's gonna bounce off again. Now that is not enough for us to make any decisions, but we can see clearly that this is starting to, go downwards. I think I got something stuck in my throat. I don't know. All right. So when we go back to our 5 minutes, we can see a different situation here. We kind of see the market pulling upwards, right? And now what we're waiting for is maybe a right situation. Because right here, despite the fact that we think the market is going downwards, and now we can see that market pulling down, we can switch our time frame to allow us to make some money with the market. So in this situation, I'll go into a sell. Maybe I'll reduce that a little bit for 1 minute, because I really think that I could quickly scalp here. So I think that price will continue to flow downwards. Maybe my entry is a little iffy in this situation, but I think that the price is going to continue to fall down. So as you can see, despite the fact that I'm thinking about entering into the market for the 5 minutes, I'm looking also for situations where I can quickly scalp on a minute time frame, and I can quickly get in and get out of a trade, make a little bit of a profit, but just based on quick analysis and being able to go in and get out of a trend situation, right? If I was going for a 5 minute here, I would have waited a lot. I would have wanted to wait until at least I see the market pull a little bit closer to the 200 EMA or a little bit lower. So we're able to make a quick profit off of that. I wouldn't want to go 5 minutes because I'm still unsure. The candle looks pretty flush. You see it pulling downwards all the way there. And that's what we expected when we looked at our higher time frames, which is also good. But I think that in this situation, yeah, I think that you could easily go into another, sorry, my bad. You could easily go into another put right here. I think you could go put for a minute, 2 minutes. Let's see what those charts look like. Yeah, I think you could probably go, despite the fact that on 2 minutes it does look like it's pulling a lot higher. I think we could enter one more trade for so I'm interested to see where this candle is gonna end. So on higher time frames, very difficult to see anything here. Right here, we can see the market really develop. All right, so just based on what we can see here, I'm gonna go closer. Let's say 15 minutes. Yeah, I'm thinking you could still enter into a call right now. I mean, into a put. My bad. But I want this candle to. We have 46 seconds left on it. And we'll see if we can scalp a little bit more, or maybe we're just gonna go long on our 30 minutes or 5 minutes. All right, we're just waiting. This is the most boring part of trading, is just waiting. So when people say like, yo, I just set up my trades in the morning or whatsoever, and I just go about my day every day, because I see a lot of people do it. Oh, I just sit down for 2 minutes, I trade, I make money, and I go like sit on the beach and sip my ties with the homies, and whatsoever. All right, enough bullshitting for me. Let's get to the meats and potatoes. Right here, we can see a little bit of a push. You can see a little bit of a push. I don't think that that's really gonna last. If it pushes at least halfway here, I'm gonna think it's a lot of pressure, and the buyers are trying to push that price up. And maybe we could also just scalp on 1 minute and just take some profit, following that trend with the buyers. But I think if this is an easy call for 1 minute, we might be able to take some profits off this. I'm just looking for a good. I'm late with my entry. There was a better entry point right there. So we'll go to our 1 minute chart. Not looking great. But I think we might still take it. I think we still have a good chance. That chance seems pretty grim, but I think we're good. I think we're good. It's close, but it's like 15 seconds. So it's kind of a toss up a little bit right now with 8 seconds left. If I had entered just a little bit higher, that might have changed the course of things. But that's it. So we made 1,150. We are down about $100. So just a thing trying to scalp. So scalping didn't really work out for us today. But we didn't take a huge loss. We entered only 2 trades. I'm not gonna try to chase that loss. But honestly, I'm telling you, if you could put an auto trade right here, you're gonna make some money for sure. So thank you guys for joining me for another session. I hope you guys see that some days we get wins like this and like this, and sometimes we get losses like this, as you can see for yourself. But it's just in a regular day. I'm not going to overtrade. I'm not going to try to chase my losses. I was able to scalp for a profit of 1,150. Lost some money. It is what it is. You have to take it and leave it. So thank you for joining me. It's been your boy Busy, and I'm out.